Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Just a few things and I promise I'll leave you alone for the next 5 minutes. Okay, as you guys saw from the start of the video, I'm starting off with my hair lightly blown out. I already did my wash process before. I also went ahead and prepped my scalp, and I used my ride or die curls tea and blueberry mint tea situation oil. That is my most favorite scalp treatment. If I'm not using my DIY, that's the only one I'm using, and that's that. Oh, plus the castor oil, of course. I really wanted to sleek my hair down today, and I decided to try this. This is a cream. It's not a gel, and it's supposed to give you hold, extra firm hold. I wanted to put it to the test, so that's what we're doing today. There's a method to my madness. Where there's some mistakes, yes, maybe just a few. I keep forgetting that I have low porosity hair now, and I continue to be heavy-handed. So you will see that I did have a bit of a situation as it was drying out, but I also showed you guys how I fixed it. Will I recommend this product? I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys, yes, go ahead and get it, because wow.
I won't bite. No, no. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Wanna make sweet love. Imagine us there. Wanna make sweet love. Imagine us there. Wanna make sweet love. All night. I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when you're hurt?
Yes, so remember when I told you guys that I went a little heavy-handed? So yeah, we do see a little bit of product. Don't worry about my forehead. We're gonna fix that makeup later. Okay, focus on the hair. I went ahead and just used a little bit of this oil. I used the melanin hair care oil and just wiped that out, and it just melted away. It's not going to give you a cast. It's not going to make your hair stiff. You can use this on wet or dry hair. I used it on dry, and you're going to see the results. I think you've already peeped some of the results, and my hair looked great. I love this. Y'all know that I'm going to search for the perfect gel since I let go of what was my perfect gel, and I like what we have found so far. So let me know if you've used this before, okay? Hey, did you subscribe? Because I was waiting for that click and I didn't hear it. So subscribe.